Yes, yes. Now I remember. So we're playing the celebrity game, or you can call it the post-it game, or Who Am I? There's so many versions of this. So we've adapted this one to our Hollywood theme, where we actually have cards, celebrity cards with Leonardo DiCaprio, Natalie Portman, Johnny Depp, etc., etc. And we have a set number of questions. Am I a man? Right. Am I a man?
Am I a man?
And depending on who you have, say yes or no. Only say yes or no. Yes, you are. No, you're not. Do I have an Academy Award?
Do I have an Academy Award?
Yes, you have 1, or no, you have 0, or yes, you have 3, if you're Meryl Streep, for example. How old am I?
How old am I?
You are 33.
33.
Okay, so before that, we would have played with the cards, would have practiced, so they know a little bit how many Academy Awards they have, how old they are, etc. Okay, so Aaron, close your eyes, and I'll assign you a celebrity. Maybe you won't be able to see. That's okay. Okay. Practical. Okay, open your eyes. Look at everyone's. Okay, and we can mingle. Let's mingle. Stop! Partner. Oh, partner. Okay. High five. One question each. Am I a man?
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Am I a man?
Yes, you are.
You're not.
Okay. And mingle. Stop!
Mingle.
Hello. High five.
Am I a woman?
Yes.
Do I have an Academy Award?
No.
Yes, you got
Do
one.
I have an
Okay.
Academy Award?
Do I have
No,
an
you
Academy
don't.
Award?
You have 0.
Yes, you've got 1. So now remember, a twist on mingle is don't look into the camera
I did.
because we can see each other. Anyway, the twist on the mingle is that when we're done, we can raise our hands and find someone who's available. Okay?
Okay.
So, okay. How old
How old
am
am
I?
I?
You
are
37
37
years old.
years
How old am I?
Okay.
I know who I am.
You are 30 years old.
Am I Jennifer Lawrence?
Yes!
Oh!
my
First
God.
winner. Am I?
How old are you?
No.
How old am I?
Yes. Okay. So
55.
if the other person says
Johnny
yes,
Depp.
you can remove
Yes.
it. You've guessed it, and you can attach it here, which means I won, but I know who I am, but I can still help people around. So,
Do I have an Academy Award?
yes, you have 1.
Am I Emma Stone?
Yes, perfect. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.